Good morning, everyone. So today I'm gonna bring you to my language school, and let's see what will the teacher will gonna discuss now. I'll just gonna show you. No, just kidding, guys. But I'll just gonna show you my school for language. So now I'm preparing my bag for today. I'll just get ready my laptop. So I'll just put it there. Oh. No. Should be like that. Yes. So I'm almost done. I just need my jacket and my sandwich. So I just need my sandwich. Ta-da! Oh, I forgot. I need to leave that one. I just only have a what's that? Liver or something. Liver spread in my sandwich and sandwich with Nutella. So that will be my snacks later. Because I did not eat my breakfast because I was so very lazy to eat my breakfast today. Yeah, so what time? 7:56, so I'm a little late now. So my car is ready and there's snow, but before that we're gonna lock the house first and the alarm, and it's ready to go. So we'll go to my dirty car. I did not wash this one for a week. And I have my other jacket there, so we'll just put my bag, because sometimes I have two jackets. Anyway, so I'll put my bag, and the next one we're gonna take out the charger, because I have a electric car which is Tesla. I have Tesla Model 3, so I'll just unlock, and now it's ready to take it out, and it will just close by its own. Ta-da! And we have clever charger. Now we'll go to the car, and my car is so dirty. I need to clean this one. So we'll do the navigation going to the school. So I'll be there exactly 8:30, which is my class will start at 8:30. So yeah, I'm a little busy now, guys, so bear with me as we go. Now ready to drive. Ta-da! See, my camera is so very blurry because I think I need to wait. I just need to clean my camera so that I can see later when I do the back. And see, my car is so very dirty. Anyway, we're ready to go, and yeah. Okay, so that's it, and I'll just gonna call my husband because I need to call him every now and then, you know. That's my alarm. Oh, a little late, 2 minutes late, but anyway. So now I'm here in the parking lot where I go to school and it's snowing, so I'll just prepare my bag and I'll just put it there. So that's it. Oh, I forgot to lock my car. So you know what? I'm late already. So yeah, that's it. So you know what? I have to wait. Vince, let's talk with it, Maya. Oh, good day. Good weekend. That's it. So I just go from this pro school. I go home early because I don't like the teacher. It's so boring. Like I cannot hold my eyes because I'm so sleepy. She's so boring. But anyway, she's not our original teacher because our original teacher is free today. And the other one, she have a course, so we have another teacher. But anyway. So that's it for today, and now I'll go to work. So bye everyone, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye everyone, till next time.